Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the middle button. Once the menu opens, scroll through it and find the settings icon. You can tap on this icon, or you can even scroll more down to open the settings. Now, scroll through the settings and find the option called the system. And once you find the system option, tap on it. Here, scroll down, find the option called the reset. Once you find it, tap on it. And here we have a couple of options. We have reset default settings, delete all activities, reset totals, and delete data and reset settings. I want to completely reset my watch, so I'm gonna select and delete data and reset settings, but you can always select also select the option called reset default settings. This option only resets the settings, and this option removes the data and reset settings. So depending on what you want to do with your watch. So select one of the options and then confirm by tapping on the check mark or pressing the start button. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.